Ha ha! $50 every 10 minutes using nothing but your smartphone? Well, sign me up. If you want to hear how to do that, then stay tuned with this video.
All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to earn $50 in 10 minutes using nothing but your smartphone. All right, but before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about affiliate digital internet marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to get to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to get notified every day when these videos come out. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I will make it happen. All right, if you have any questions about this content today, post it below, and we will get started right now. All right, so let's get started. Let's not waste any more time. I want to show you exactly how you can earn $50 in 10 minutes using your smartphone. So the site we're going to be talking about today is called Mind Swarms. All right, so mindswarms.com. And this is a pretty awesome site. What it is it's taking a new spin on surveys. So you're taking surveys using your smartphone video. All right, so if you're not into doing video, then this is not for you. So you might as well stop watching now. But if you don't mind doing a short video of you taking a survey, then making $50 in just 10 minutes right to your PayPal account, then stay on this video till the very end so I can show you how to do all this. All right, so first thing you want to do is go to mindswarms.com and you want to sign up for an account. You want to sign up for an account on Mindswarms. You want to sign up an account in PayPal if you don't have a PayPal account, and you want to install this on your iOS or Android phone. All right, and I say use this on your smartphone because it's going to be the easiest way to do your video, upload it, and get on with your life. All right, so you come in here, you create an account, you download your app to your phone, and what happens is you're going to sign up for some surveys, and it's going to ask you some multiple choice questions to make sure you are the right person to be taking the survey. Once you get approved for a survey, it'll show up in your active survey list on your app, and once you get in there, then you just film yourself doing that, submit it. Once it gets approved, they'll pay you $50 via PayPal in 24 hours. So every 24 hours, you will get paid for the surveys you've completed. All right, that's pretty cool, right? So, guys, it's an easy way to make $50 with a 10-minute or less survey. All right, so run over here to MindSwarms, get logged in, and start using it. All right, so use a full minute to respond. All right, so short answers are bad answers. Make sure you do a good answer, honest, professional looking, full face. It don't have to be in a fancy house. You don't have to be wearing nothing cool. Just frame your whole head. All right, be comfortable, eliminate back noise, and just do your 10-minute survey. Answer your questions, submit it, and be done with it. Collect your $50 and do it again, and just keep doing it over and over and over. All right, so that's mindswarms.com. I wanted to make this video real quick, real simple, real easy for you guys so you can just go in, make $50, get paid, and keep doing it over and over and over. All right, share this with your friends if you felt this was of content to you, right? So hit that like button, guys. Give me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions, post them below. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you tomorrow on the next video. Peace out.